Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Marsala and a Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts I cut in half to make 6 cutlets. And in a Ziploc bag I have half a cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now I have my Ninja Foodi set on medium-high saute. I'm going to add some olive oil in there. Enough to coat the bottom of the pan. I'm going to go for probably about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And I have to fill my dispenser back up, it just ran empty. Because this chicken is going to soak up that olive oil pretty good. Now I'm going to get my chicken in the bag. I'm just going to shake it up 2 pieces at a time. We're going to coat it in that flour, salt, and pepper mixture. And guys, you could do this in a bowl or on a plate, but this is about the easiest way, and there's no cleanup. You just throw this bag away. Now I'm going to get my chicken down into the Foodi. Let me get this excess flour off of it. And I'm going to start browning these up. Alright guys, now that my chicken's all nice and browned up and looking sexy, I still have my Ninja Foodi set on medium-high, the saute setting. There's a little bit of olive oil in there, but not much. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt it up with that olive oil. What the olive oil is going to do is it's going to fortify that butter and help keep it from scorching and turning brown. Now I have 1 small onion I diced up here. That's going to go in. What, Dexter? And I have 1 pound of sliced mushrooms. We're going to get them in there. These are 8 ounces each, these containers. What, Dexter? Dexter wants to be in the video, guys. We're going to have to change the name of Cooking with Dexter and Rick. Alright, now I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm using a jarred chopped garlic, but you could use fresh garlic. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. You'd use about 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Now I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes till those mushrooms start to turn translucent, or the onions turn translucent, and the mushrooms start to soften up. Alright guys, now that my mushrooms and onions are done sauteing, you can see all the liquid they put off. I'm going to add in a cup of Marsala wine. Just give that a quick stir. And I'm going to return my chicken back into the pot. If it doesn't get away from me, guys. See how nice and golden brown that is. What, Dexter? Okay guys, now that I have my chicken all in, I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on. Make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high pressure for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes, we'll do a quick release of pressure. Okay guys, now that this is done pressure cooking, I did that quick release of the pressure, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Just give that a quick stir. And I have my pressure cooker set on a sear saute setting, medium. Alright. Now I have a cornstarch slurry here I made. It's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Give that a stir. We're going to stir that in there, and that's going to help thicken this up and get it nice. And guys, Dexter is just going nuts today. It's where there's a hurricane coming or something the way he's behaving. I'm going to allow this to simmer on that medium saute for just a few minutes till it thickens up. It's starting to thicken up already, but once it gets nice and thick, then this will be ready to serve. Alright guys, this literally went for like 2 minutes. It's ready to go. It's nice and thick. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and I made some rigatoni to serve this over, and I also garnished with some parsley. Let me get in here and try a piece of this. Chicken's cooked through. Nice and tender, it's moist. Taste that Marsala wine. Get a little bit of mushroom with some pasta. Guys, that's really delicious, and it wasn't that hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Chicken Marsala and the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.